What do you get when you cross a chicken with a biscuit? Some pretty weird crackers. Hello and welcome back to Deliciously Awkward. In this video, I'm going to talk about another awkward food find, chicken in a biscuit. These are chicken flavored crackers, and yes, they are as weird as they sound. From what I've read, they were first introduced in 1964, and I doubt they have changed much. I'm sure the recipe has been exactly the same. When you think about the cracker aisle in the grocery store, there are so many things that compete against each other, and everything's extreme and different shapes and characters, and so it's pretty amazing that these have lasted this long. But yeah, they definitely harken back to a bygone era when things were simpler. I mean, look at the back. They're suggesting have it with some canned cheese and fruit and a glass of milk, and the milk is in a pitcher. Who does that? No one does that. Come on. But definitely very evocative of the past, and I feel like this is something like primarily for older people. And you see some grandma put this out for her kids. They're probably not interested in any of it, but at least she tried. So going back to the logo, look how cute and simple that chicken is. Nothing like other mascots and logos. So it's not the original logo from 1964, but I think this definitely looks like it's been around since the 80s. And I give them credit because unlike other animal mascots, this guy never got the extreme cool makeover in the late 90s or early 2000s. I feel like they could have given him sunglasses and a skateboard, maybe an electric guitar, up his cool factor. But I think Nabisco understands their target demographic for these things. Anyone over 65 or weird middle-aged YouTubers looking for something to make a video about. So one other thing I'd want to point out at the logo is that, Biskit is misspelled here. Obviously intentional, but I'm just wondering if maybe a young Fred Durst saw this and inspired him to, start the band Limp Biskit, spelled similarly, but with a Z instead of the S. I don't know. I will be opening these soon to give them a taste, but I will say that I did have these a couple times when I was a kid, and I just remember them tasting kind of like chicken soup. Like there's a strong celery taste, not so much chicken. I guess there is really chicken in here. I think they say dehydrated cooked chicken. So if someone's dehydrating chicken, cooking it, grinding into powder, and putting it on crackers. All right, so now let's open it. Thought they'd have a stronger smell. They really don't smell like anything. Kind of like just plain saltine crackers. Here we go. Okay, so they taste just like I remember them from over 30 years ago. Very salty, some celery undertones. I don't really get much chicken, but kind of has that chicken soup kind of flavor profile. Again, not bad by any means, not necessarily good. So I think that's about it for chicken and a biscuit crackers. Let me know what you guys think. Have you had these before? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Are there other awkward food finds you think I should try and make a video about? Just leave a comment below, and feel free to like and subscribe so you get notified whenever I have a new video. And until then, remember to embrace the awkward, including these awkward little crackers, and I'll see you next time.